Hello, welcome back to CapSim, Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, the best CapSim route 2 answers, and CapSim walkthrough for route 2 to get the top result. You can see the top result of route 1. Check the other video for details guide. Route 1 we get top sale and top profit, top stock price, market cap, right? So now we continue with route 2. Remember that round 1 and round 2 very important to get the top result for 8 rounds like you see on the screen. Top result for 8 rounds like you see on the screen. To check the other video for round 1, R&D, marketing, production, and HR, finance, TQM before we continue this video for round 2. First we go focus on round 2 R&D. I show you the detail now. So for round 2 R&D, you keep update the product. Remember to check the round 1 video to open the industry condition report to get the free Excel file like this. You check the round 1 video guide for that, and then download the Excel file so we can keep update the product like you see on the screen for R&D, right? For R&D you see on the screen update the traditional low end. We don't do that, we do that in round 3. High end performance and size, here we have added a new product in round 1, and now we developed one new product in traditional. I show you the reason why. Now you see, look at the career report here for the traditional and low end. You see the reason here, because traditional segment accounts for 31% of market share, very big market share, and low end accounts for 39% of market share. Nearly two segments accounts for nearly 70% of market share, right? You see that, right? So we add a new product in low end, new product in traditional, so we can double the sale and double the profit from round 3, 4 and later rounds, right? So that's why we choose that. But remember, do not copy the number. I show you the strategy because competition, you need to adjust that to match the specific condition of your competition and competitions, right? So again, I say that again and again, do not copy the number. Change the number from game to game, from student to student, and match the specific number of your game, right? You check the industry condition report here for your game number, right? And then you check the career report here for your game number, right? So that's R&D. We update that. We develop one new product in round 1 new product in round 2, update the product each round, and check the launching date, revision date to make sure you have enough time to sell. That's round 2 R&D, and if you do that, you will get the top result like you see on the screen. Top results like you see on the screen. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Remember to download the free Excel file to calculate the R&D and calculate for marketing and production for 8 rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.